What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to use the search feature on TikTok. So first let's open the TikTok app. Here you'll find the search icon in the top right corner, the magnification glass here. Tap on it and you can search for anything you want. Let's go search for trending. Hit search. You can see here the top results and you can even filter your results by videos or users that have this name or sounds, even live videos, places, hashtags. And if you find a video you like, just simply tap on it and it'll start playing.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.